Today we will see how to install PSPICE software in your computer. For that you need to have PSPICE software. So I just have loaded my PSPICE software from my pen drive into my drive system into the PC. From PC now I will go to install the PSPICE step by step. So first you need to copy that PSPICE software in your PC. Then double click on PSPICE folder. It will ask for you'll have three folders here. In click installer. So in install, then you need to click on the release install notes. So these are the instructions to be followed while you are installing the software in your computer. So after opening the PDF, you need to go to program, and in program we need to search for setup. So this icon it should be there as an application. Now double click that icon. So then a pop-up window will be there. It will ask whether you need to install the software in your computer or not. So click yes. Then after that it installs. So here we get an advice that if you have any antivirus programs installed in your computer, please disable or you can delete the files or uninstall the antivirus and then click on OK. Then it will ask for click on the next, then accept the agreement, license agreement, and then so as it is a standalone licensing, so it is only for a single computer. You need to go for standalone licensing. So and next, and then install this product on standalone computer. So you need to click on that, and then next. Now here you need to enter the codes of the projects which you need to install. So that products you will get from the uh, notepad that what you have there opened in the last. So if you observe here, all these are the apps that are there in your PSPICE software. So these are the key codes. So now you need to enter all the key codes A, B, C, D, sorry, A, B, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Except C and D, everything is there. Now you need to type these keywords in this box. So A, after that enter, then B, and then E, F, G, H, I, J, K. So all the keywords I have entered. Now I need to click on next. And then if you observe here, all the keywords and their corresponding apps are displayed on the top. Now here, authentication code, you need to give it as 1 and then click next. So here you can give your name. So I am giving the name, and then the company name if you require you can give it, or it is mandatory to give the company name, otherwise this next button will not get enabled. And then click on next. So then click on registration information is correct, yes. Then it will ask for typical installation for most of the users and recommended installations for the advanced users. Click on custom settings and then click on next. So if you observe here, it will allow this custom setting will allow to choose the software, and then you can delete any unwanted software if you want. So for that, if you go to the notepad, so you will say in the fourth point, do custom installation and then do not select documents in the component. So you should not select documents. So if you scroll down here, so documents is there, you deselect this document and then you need to install all the other remaining apps and then click on next, and then click on next, and then click on next. So once if you click all, then the program will get installed in your computer. Once after installation, you can directly open the software and you can run, as this is a student version, so you don't have any more features. So this is able to sufficiently you can do your simple connection circuits, and then you can do how to connect, or you can train how to connect in PSPICE software. So this is a light version. So after completing the file transfer, so it will ask for so to restart the computer or setting up the environment, and then the following file types are currently registered. You can click on yes, and then so you can click on OK here, and then finish launch the program, and then so after that you can click here CIS. Here you will get the capture CIS.